One Unit, in association with Shatters Entertainment and Glitz Ultra Lounge, presents We Don't Give a Truck, Saturday, May 25th, the biggest wet fat foam party ever to hit Orlando. It all goes down Saturday, May 25th at Glitz Outdoor Atrium, 7432 Universal Boulevard, Orlando, Florida 32819. It's Orlando Carnival's Memorial Weekend. Gates open from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. And we make space for over 5,000 people with a wet and optional dry zone. We Don't Give a Truck, Orlando's biggest outdoor wet fat foam party, featuring sounds by Orlando's top Caribbean DJs and a live band for your musical pleasure. Also, come experience the hottest in Orlando's carnival costumes on full display in a huge contest for cash and trophies. We Don't Give a Truck, Saturday, May 25th. For vendor inquiries, please call 407-217-4667. That's 407-217-4667. It's Orlando's biggest outdoor wet fat foam party. Make sure you come out early.
I can't let you get away, so I come in.